In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save analysis on Lichess. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you in your PC, or whatever you're working with. Could be Google Chrome, could be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. Once you open your browser, simply go to this URL section and type lichess.org and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page, which is going to be the home screen or the main screen of lichess.org. Of course, here, the first thing that you would like to do is just go to the top right corner option sign in and click on it so you can actually sign in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and click on register so you can actually create an account in here. So for me, let me do that and I'm coming back. So once you're logged in or sign in or even create an account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or this main screen on the list on the lichess.org website. And of course, you'll find your username here at the top right corner. That means you're signed in. And from here, you can do a lot of other stuff. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, is would like to show you how to save analysis of a game. And of course, if you want to do that, let's just go and start a game as an example. Let's just make some moves so we can even analyze the game. Because you cannot analyze nothing. So let's just do this as an example. And let's just wait for him to move and let's just resign. Now, click on Analyze Board here on this right panel. And once we are here, we would like to scroll down a bit until we find this Share and Export and click on it. Once you click on it, as you can see, you will have here the option to save it or to download it as PGN or to share it. As you can see, if you share this link, the person that you shared the link with will be able to share game and you can save it as a GIF or you can screenshot your current position, choose whatever suits you and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.